Unlocking Intelligence, a glimpse into AI and ML. Step into the world of science fiction, and you'll encounter machines that think, learn, and even feel like humans. This is the captivating realm of artificial intelligence, or AI, a field that strives to create intelligent agents capable of mimicking human-like cognitive abilities. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is transforming our lives at an unprecedented pace. But what exactly is machine learning, or ML? Imagine a computer program that can learn from data without being explicitly programmed. That's the essence of ML, a powerful subset of AI that empowers computers to improve their performance on a specific task by learning from experience. Think of it like teaching a child to ride a bike. Instead of giving them a step-by-step manual, you let them experiment, observe, and adjust their balance until they master the skill. In a nutshell, AI is the broader concept of creating intelligent machines, while ML is a specific approach to achieving AI by enabling machines to learn from data. AI and ML, two sides of the same coin? While AI and ML are closely intertwined, they are not interchangeable. AI encompasses a wide range of techniques from rule-based systems to deep learning, all aimed at creating intelligent systems. On the other hand, ML focuses specifically on enabling machines to learn from data and improve their performance over time. Think of AI as the overarching goal of creating intelligent machines and ML as a powerful tool in the AI toolkit. AI systems can be built using various approaches including rule-based systems, expert systems, and machine learning. Rule-based systems, as the name suggests, rely on a set of predefined rules to make decisions. For instance, a spam filter might use rules like emails containing certain keywords are flagged as spam. While simple to implement, rule-based systems can be limited in their ability to handle complex scenarios. ML, on the other hand, takes a fundamentally different approach. Instead of relying on explicit rules, ML algorithms learn patterns and relationships from data. This data-driven approach allows ML systems to adapt to new situations and make predictions or decisions based on learned insights. Bringing AI and ML to life examples in action. Let's bring AI and ML to life with some relatable examples. Imagine using a virtual assistant like Siri or Alexa. These intelligent assistants rely on natural language processing, or NLP, a branch of AI that enables computers to understand and respond to human language. When you ask Siri for directions, it processes your request, accesses a vast database of maps and traffic information, and provides you with the optimal route. This seamless interaction showcases the power of AI in simplifying our daily lives. Now let's delve into the realm of ML. Consider the personalized recommendations you receive on streaming platforms like Netflix or Spotify. These platforms leverage sophisticated ML algorithms that analyze your viewing or listening history, identify patterns in your preferences, and suggest content tailored to your taste. Another compelling example is image recognition. ML algorithms can be trained on massive data sets of images to accurately identify objects, faces, and even emotions. This technology has far-reaching applications, from self-driving cars that can recognize pedestrians and traffic signals to healthcare systems that can assist doctors in diagnosing diseases from medical images. Section 4: AI and ML Reshaping Our World Impact Across Industries. The impact of AI and ML extends far beyond our personal lives, revolutionizing industries across the board. In healthcare, AI-powered systems are assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases earlier and more accurately, developing personalized treatment plans, and even accelerating drug discovery. The finance industry is also undergoing a major transformation thanks to AI and ML. Algorithmic trading, fraud detection, and risk assessment are just a few areas where these technologies are creating efficiencies and mitigating risks. Manufacturing, transportation, and customer service are other sectors reaping the benefits of AI and ML. From optimizing supply chains and improving logistics to enhancing customer experiences through personalized recommendations and chatbots, these technologies are reshaping the way businesses operate and interact with their customers. Section 5: Charting the Future, AI and ML, Working Hand in Hand. As AI and ML continue to evolve at an electrifying pace, their impact on our lives will only become more profound. From personalized medicine and self-driving cars to smart homes and intelligent assistants, these technologies are poised to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Understanding the key differences and roles of AI and ML is crucial for navigating this exciting technological landscape. AI, the broader concept of creating intelligent machines, sets the stage for a future where machines can augment and enhance human capabilities. ML, as a powerful tool in the AI toolkit, empowers machines to learn from data and make intelligent decisions, driving innovation and progress across industries.